Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. So this is a audio player app that I have created. Actually it's an old audio player, but this year I have upgraded it and I have added a lot of new features. Not only that, actually this audio player uses BLoC for state management right now, as you can see from the file over here. And at the same time, for local storage we are using Cubit. So everything has been done over here, either BLoC or Cubit. So as you can see that here we have this hydrated storage or hydrated BLoC actually, which uses Hive internally to store information in mobile phone. Anyway, so we'll see a lot more about it. So let's go ahead and take a look at our audio player. So now, of course, this is our home page. So you can go ahead and click on this and it start to play. So as you see that it was playing, and as it plays, actually a lot of things happens over here. So let's play it one more time. Okay, so here we have this repeat button. Actually, you can go ahead and repeat. Not only that, actually you can go ahead and put it forward and you'll see that it will start to play. So it started to play again. All right, and not only that, actually you can play it forward like this. And then you'll see that, okay, we can actually over here click on this, so the play rate of this audio player would increase. So let's go ahead and check on this. So you see that it's playing extremely fast. Okay, so that's how it works. And not only that, actually from here, so not only that, actually you can also reduce the speed. So now it's playing fast, right? So here we have actually reduced a lot more. Now at the same time, actually you can go ahead and click on the next one. And as you do that, you'll see that it is added automatically in the list. And you can go for the next one. So here we have other one. Now let's play something that's in English. So over here, of course, this is actually being very slow, right? So we can fast forward a little bit. So you see that now it's working. Now we can go for the next one more time. So here we have this audios, these are all listed, right? And then over here actually you can click any of this. So it's going to go ahead and play. All right, so let me go ahead and over here actually reduce the sound so that we know what we are speaking. So let's click on this. So it would be here, right? Okay, so that's how it works. Now let's go ahead and restart the whole app. If you go ahead and restart it, you'll see that it still stays here. Now if you come over here, you see that over here all these files, audio files, they are saved in shared memory. Once again, let's go ahead and check that. So you click any of them, it doesn't really matter, it will start playing, and then all the files are here, right? And at the same time you'll see that actually you can go ahead and remove them. Okay, so right now we have removed all of them, and then if we go ahead and restart, it will still stay in the memory. But in this case actually we'll see that only one of them, but of course we had added a new one, so that's gone. So now let's go back and come over here. So you still see it here, and if you restart it, it would be still there. All right, so if you go for the next one, it would be auto added in the list. So I believe that this is a very powerful audio player, so you can have it. And not only that, actually I'm planning to create a course on this, but if you want to early access of this code, you can go ahead and buy it.